All right, hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to look at dealing with confidential documents. So first off, we'll create a document. We'll assume this is a confidential document. Say it's a proposal, or let's just say it's a confidential document, or maybe a legal document. And then we have to protect this document so it doesn't get into the hands of the wrong persons. First off, and then we have to make sure it is only shared with the right persons in the organization or in our company. So take for instance, I want only the secretary to have access to this document. I do not want the maybe whoever any other person to have access. So first off, we just go and create a document. You go to docs.google.com. So these and these are the documents I've created. This account. So I will just create a new document here. Create a new document, and then we will rename it. We'll call it confidential. Let's just call it confidential, and then let's populate our documents. This is confidential document. Okay, that's all. Now, like I said, we want to share this document with the right person. We want to make sure it doesn't get into the hands of the wrong persons, and then take for instance, we want to also sign these documents. Now, you should know you are able to sign documents online with your signature, the signature you already have, the one you use in the banks. Yes, it's possible for you to have that signature on your documents, and I will show you how to do it here. Yes. So let's just add date, signature. All right. Maybe also we want to password this document. So even if it is downloaded and then somebody else comes across it and tries to open the document, they cannot open it unless they put a password. It's also possible to do that. I'll also show you how to do that here. So this is a confidential document. I want to add the date. We just put a dummy date. Oh, that's not our concern. Um, to add a signature, we'll have to use an online service called Signature Generator. So let's head over to signature hyphen generator.com. See it over there, signature hyphen generator.com. So when we open signature generator, we come here. There are two ways we can create our signature. We can type in a signature, so it's just a written text, and then we choose the font, or we can draw our signature. So if I want to try this, I can just type in my name on it and come here. So I can choose the font I want. Most probably a script font. I can choose whatever font I want, and then just click on save. You can choose to have it this way. You see, so you just modify the signature however you want it. Then the background is transparent, of course. Then you click on save, so it's downloaded as you see it here. It's downloaded as a PNG, as a transparent background image. So just we are not interested in proposing whatever. So the other thing we can do is draw our signature at the top here. So when you click on draw signature, you come down, and then in this space you can draw your signature just like you would sign on any other document. So because you're using a mouse, your signature may not be perfect. So it's easier. It's better you do this on an iPad so you can use a pen, that digital pen. So take for instance this my signature. Okay, so I can now download this as PNG just like I downloaded the other one. So I just come here and click save, and then there you go, it's downloaded. So now I'll bring this here, just drag it, upload it here. And there's something else we are going to work on. So you see this is big. First of all, go resize. I will crop, double click, and then crop the edges. Right. Trim out the unnecessary space. Perfect. Now there's something else we'll do. When we right click, sorry, just click on the image. You find these. So the one you want to choose is this in front of text, so that you can put this image on top of any part of the document. So when you choose in front of text, you can drag it around, put it anywhere you want to put it. So we'll reduce the size, it's too big. Reduce the size and put it right here, just where it is supposed to be. That seems perfect. Alright, so that's how to sign your documents. Now you can keep this signature. Of course, I already have it in my computer, so you can keep it for in case of next time. So you will not have to go and generate a new signature. You just keep that, and then you keep using it every time you want to sign a document. Now, take for instance, I want to share this document with somebody, maybe my secretary or my boss or my colleague. What I have to do is come here. You see, this document is private only to me. I'm the only person who can access this document. So I'll click share, and then I'll type in the person's address. Take for instance, the person's Google account address, or the person's Gmail address. So type in this is honest gmail.com. So this person will be the only person who can edit this document, just like I can edit it. So I can choose to send them an email. If you click on notify people, they will receive an email that a document has been shared with them. But if you do not, if you switch it off, they will not receive any email. It will just be shared with them like that. So I can add this account as an editor or as a viewer, or just allow the person to just just cross check and add comments. Exactly. So if you are sharing it to the general public, it's advisable you add it as a viewer, somebody from the general public. Then if you are sending it to somebody who is to edit, sorry, audit. I think audit is a word to proofread the document. You most probably want to add the person as a commenter, so the person can just add comment but cannot edit the document by his or herself. If you add the person as an editor, the person can edit and change everything in the document, so you know how this work. So you just add as an editor, and then I'll click share. So only the person can access the document. Thank you. How will the person find the document? You can click on share, you can copy the link to the document. You see, there are two accounts that have access to this document. This first account is the owner, this other account is an editor. Alright. So you can copy the link and share it to the person. Only the person will be able to open it. Any other person who tries to open it will not be able to open the document. That is fine. The other thing we've not talked about is how to password the document in case it's as a PDF, for instance. You want to password it so they will not have access to it. But first of all, let us download this document. So you go to File, you see Download here. So this is the beautiful thing about Google Docs. You can download the document as a Microsoft Word document, as an open document format, rich text format, as PDF. You can download it as plain text, as even HTML, or as an EPUB file that's for publications. Get it a book. So we just download it as PDF. It's PDF document, and then you see down here. So it's downloaded. All right. So I will now go to there is a Google Workspace add-on called PDF tool. PDF tool. That's what I use to password a document. But that extension cannot password a document in this format. You know this Google Docs format. It cannot password Google Docs. It can only password a PDF. So we'll go back to Google Drive. Let's open Google Drive. Drive.google.com. So go to drive.google.com. You'll find. Let us go search for confidential. Let us search at the top here. We'll search for confidential. Okay, here, this is it. Confidential. This is a document you just created. So it's advisable that while working on any project, everything that has to do with that project is put in a particular folder. I think I mentioned it in the other video. It's easy. It's better you structure your Google Drive. You structure the files in your Google Drive so it's easier for you to find them. So what I'll do is create a folder. So what I'll do is right click on this document, and then I can see show file location, and I can move where is exactly look at it. I can move this file to a folder. So I'll just click move, then I would open my drive. Inside my drive, I would want to create a new folder. Okay, move to open my drive, and then I want to create a folder here. I'll use this button, new folder. See it? I'll create a new folder and I'll call it test class. Call it test class. Then I'll just create this folder. So in this folder, I will now move the document here. So move here. Confidential has been moved to my drive from my drive to text folder. Exactly. That's exactly what I want. So I will now go. I would come to my drive and then I'll find test class here. This is test class. So this is the document. Now I can now upload this PDF we downloaded because this is a Google Docs. It's in Google Docs format. So I will upload the confidential document, the same document but in PDF format. Okay, it has been uploaded. Upload it to the same folder. So every document that has to do with this project, test class, will have it in this folder. I think the signature I downloaded, that our signature, I should also put it in this folder. So everything is in this folder. Now, what I would want to do is add a Google Workspace add-on that's called PDF tool. I'll use it to password this document before sharing it so that whoever doesn't have the password cannot open this document. Okay, so first let me upload this um I'll upload the signature here. Okay, this is the signature I have uploaded. Alright. Now there are a number of ways you can access the Google Workspace marketplace. sorry, the Google add-ons marketplace. That's the place where you add a new add-on to your account. So since this is Google Drive, you can find it here. You see it says get add-ons. You find this plus sign at the far right. At the far right. Let me brighten this up so you I like to use dark mode. Okay. Now at the far right here you find get add-ons. So we just click on get add-ons, and then you search. This is Google Workspace Marketplace. Exactly. You search for PDF tool. There is one I am looking for. PDF two. I think no, it's PDF toolbox. Toolbox. Yes, PDF toolbox. Okay, yes, this is it. PDF toolbox. Password protects PDFs in Google Drive. We just click on it and then we'll install it. So I'll just keep this for in another video. This video is already getting too long. So I will just keep this for another video. So I'll do it in the next video. Right, so that will be it for this video. I will have to split this video so it's already getting too long. So I'll see you there.